In this video, we're finding the sum of an arithmetic series. And the first thing to sort out is the difference between a sequence and a series. Because those two words get used almost interchangeably, and they don't mean the same thing. The top line is a sequence. It's a list. The bottom line is a series. It's that same list added together. Same numbers. The commas have just become plus signs. And that's the whole distinction. A series is what you get when you add a sequence up. So let's add it. 5 plus 9 is 14. Plus 13 is 27. Plus 17 is 44. Plus 21 is 65. With 5 terms, you can just add them up like that. The formula is for when there are 50. Here are the two formulas. S sub n means the sum of the first n terms. The first one says n over 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1d. Use that one when you know where the sequence starts and how much it goes up by. The second one says n over 2 times the first term plus the last term. Use that one when the question hands you both ends. And one quick note before we start. The IB formula booklet uses U1 and UN, where I'm using A1 and AN. Same formula, different letter. Don't let it throw you. Let's check the formula against the sum we already did by hand. Our sequence starts at 5, goes up by 4, and we added 5 terms. So A1 is 5, D is 4, and N is 5. 5 over 2 times 2 times 5 plus 4 times 4. That's 5 over 2 times 26, which is 65. Same answer. Example 1. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of 5, 9, 13, 17, and so on. A1 is 5, D is 4, and N is 10. 10 over 2 times 2 times 5 plus 9 times 4. That's 5 times 10 plus 36. 5 times 46 is 230. Example 2. Find 3 plus 7 plus 11, all the way up to 79. This time we're given the last term, but not how many terms there are. So we find n first, using the nth term formula. 79 equals 3 plus n minus 1 times 4. Subtract 3 from both sides. 76 equals 4 times n minus 1. Divide by 4. 19 equals n minus 1. So n is 20. Now we know both n's and how many terms, so use the second formula. 20 over 2 times 3 plus 79. 10 times 82 is 820. Example 3. Find the sum of the first 15 terms, where A1 is 100 and D is negative 6. 15 over 2 times 200, plus 14 times negative 6. 14 times negative 6 is negative 84. 200 minus 84 is 116. 15 over 2 times 116 is 15 times 58. 870. And notice the sum still grows, even though D is negative, because the terms themselves are still positive. Example 4. And this is the theater from the last video. The front row has 18 seats, and each row behind it adds 3 more. Last time we worked out that the 15th row has 60 seats, but this question is different. How many seats are in the whole theater? All 15 rows. That's a series, not a sequence. We're adding every row together. A1 is 18, D is 3, and N is 15. 15 over 2 times 36 plus 42. 15 over 2 times 78 is 15 times 39. 585 seats. Last one, and this one is harder. 4 plus 7 plus 10, and so on, adds up to 175. How many terms are there? Here we know the sum, and n is the unknown. A 1 is 4, and d is 3. So 175 equals n over 2 times 8 plus 3 times n minus 1. Simplify inside the bracket. 8 plus 3n minus 3 is 3n plus 5. Multiply both sides by 2. 350 equals n times 3n plus 5. Expand and bring everything to one side. 3n squared plus 5n minus 350 equals 0. Solve that quadratic and you get n equals 10, or n equals negative 11.67. Reject the negative 1. You can't have a negative number of terms, so there are 10 terms. That's arithmetic series. The next video goes back to the sequence that was sitting next to our arithmetic one 3 videos ago, the geometric kind.